I won't talk my mind, oh. For anyone will feel relate, oh. Read the macula, oh. Sometimes it feels like success is a trap, and sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Cause the pressure plenty, and the expectations high. Even your day ones were supposed to get your back, sometimes they was they fight. And everybody has an opinion on how you supposed to live your life. And even people were supposed to show you the way, now the people they backbite. No be pride, no be ego. Sometimes I gotta change my mind, sometimes I gotta stay behind, sometimes I will have to say no. Sometimes I gotta throw water on top my head, make this pressure no go drive me insane, no. So if you see me outside and I no greet you, no vex, papa, my head is full, oh. And baba, you know the level. Now this hustle like this, yeah. Now this hustle like this, hustle can be so overwhelming sometimes. No add your own, join my own. I got so many things that the reason no bother me, oh. One need to pala who gongo lele. Kilo setani ko sheri, oh. Cause family go call, enemy go call, I don't know who is who. No be pride, no be ego. Sometimes I gotta stay away when I have nothing to say. Sometimes I will have to say no. Sometimes I got some water on top my head, when this pressure don't go drive me insane, no. So if you see me for sure and I don't greet you, no vex, papa, my head is full, oh. And baba, you know the level. Like this hustle like this. Now this hustle like this. Of course, them say they pump us. Yeah, cause I put myself first. Whoa, they say they pump us. Yeah, it's all love, brother, yeah, it's all love. Whoa, it's all love, my brother, it's all love. And I'm good with it.
Messi, yeah, full on. We'll show you the other remaining one, please.
How many women I give you?